Hey guys, I'm here today to show you proof of how MrBeast only acts kind and generous for the camera. And I have 3 clips that will reveal his true nature. Take a watch.
Homeless people don't care if I use them for views. I just show my true self on the Tiny Meat Gang.
So you really are evil Mr. Beast.
Oh, 100%. Oh, fuck poor people.
And parents still allow children to watch him? Like, why hasn't anyone brought this up yet? And before I end this video, I really want everyone to be aware of who they're actually watching, the man behind the Superman-like persona.